Hello, look at me looking all cool on that frozen driving range. Today we are testing out these little bad boys, golf ball finding glasses. They're doing alright. See if we can get a little vision of the balls in these. You can see what we're seeing. Golf ball lighting up. This is what we're looking for. And have noticed the yellow balls not so good. White balls very good. So we're going to go a bit of these. That's what you're seeing. Is what I'm seeing. Craig's looking dapper in his over there, look. So he's got 4 in the bag at the moment and just another 7,000 to go. So let's see if these glasses do the job. How you finding them, Craig? All right?
Yeah, they're good. Ball stands out good.
He's got the skills.
It's actually in the frost as well, and actually they do show up.
Yeah, I was a little bit worried that being a frosty morning, that everything would just be bright blue, but actually doing all right. Right, time to get on with some work down at Bushey Driving Range. So far so good, glasses are going well. Let's go and give Matt a little tester, see what he thinks. His first time on the golf ball finding glasses. I'm quite impressed. Just don't want to get any more yellow balls. Give you a view of what I get all day, every day. What we're getting as we're walking along. Matt will demonstrate picking one up for you. There you go. 10p, 20p, 30p, 40p. Shoes look nice and white as well, Matt.
Yeah, fresh shoes. It's a frost.
Yeah, so that's what we're getting from the glasses. Matt's first try on them, see what he thinks about them.
I think that's going to suit me as well. What do you reckon? What?
Looking dapper.
Right, white Maltesers everywhere. frost today than anything else.
Old Smiler. There's not much that gets smacked down, is there, Matty?
Not much, mate.
So we have myself, who's a newbie relatively to the golf industry. I think the glasses are very good. Matt, a professional golfer. Seasoned range manager. Albeit council, you know what the council workers are like.
They're yeah, they're good. Don't pick up the yellow balls, so I need to find some more glasses. One lens on one eye for yellow balls and one for white balls.
Bifocals.
That's the way.
Craig's just legend in the golf range industry around here.
Yeah, they were good.
Enjoyed them.
Easy. Especially when it was frosty.
Yeah,
They were actually quite good in the frost.
Solely lost.
Thumbs up.
3 stars out of 3 out of 3 stars.
Thumbs up, they were good.
like.